How to block YouTube on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar. Now type nextdns.io. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on try it now. Now scroll down. Now scroll to the right. Now tap on deny list. Now tap on add a domain. Now type youtube.com. Now tap on next. Again, go back to the home page and tap on setup. Now scroll down. Now copy the DNS. Now go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down, tap on connection and sharing. Now tap on private DNS. Now select specified. Now tap on DNS. Now paste the DNS and click on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.